almost got a rock. A rock almost got me. It's Aunt Angel, ZGALA, a Superclown, up with Blackfish Lightning, Rainbow Blackfish. We in the trees, being bright. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I don't even need my jacket on yet. I might later. Got it in the car, just in case. You never know what you're gonna get around here. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see. Just taking a gentle little easy stroll through the trees for you and me. Whew. It's crunchy in here. Can you hear that? Crispy. It's been a little bit windy. Alright though. I was worried it'd be crowded, but it's not too crowded. There's a few people here, but not too many. Let's go through here. Ooh, just a taste of some powder left. It's crunchy, but I'll take it. Take some crunchy powder. That's what I can get. Get that gorgeous, gorgeous sunshine up there. Woo. Anyway, like I said, that was just a quick little slow trip through the trees. I'm gonna say goodbye for now, ciao for now, and peace, and I'll be seeing you soon.